What's up, you guys? Chet Guthrie, the Dream Poet here, and I am out here at Prater's Mill today. Anyway, it looks like they're doing some construction to the area. Online, I've seen that this is a really pretty sight, especially like when it's the water is coming through, like I guess you could say flooding. Anyway, look at that. Look how that works. But anyway, as of right now, it looks like it is in a construction process. Looks like that's for the entirety of the mill. Maybe they'll get it done by the time that event happens that they do every year. Huh. It's really cool to see how they have all this. Anyway, you guys, make sure to check out the full video. It's pretty cool.